How to cancel MoneyGram transaction online full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel MoneyGram transaction online in 2025. So for that there is the method shown on the official MoneyGram help center. So for that, if you are the sender, you can use their self-service portal to cancel your money transfer. You will need to have your reference number, sender's last name, sender's date of birth, and receiver's last name to find your transaction. Then you can select cancel. And if you sent money online or from their app, you can log into your MoneyGram profile and look for the transfer in your transaction history. Click on the transaction and select cancel. And if you send the transaction at a MoneyGram location, you can cancel it on their self-service portal by selecting cancel a transfer. If you do not have online access, you can return to the same agent location where the transaction was sent from and ask the agent to cancel the transaction. So these are the three methods you can follow to cancel a money transfer or MoneyGram. So they also said, please note that transfers can't be cancelled if the receivers has already collected the funds or funds have already been deposited into their account. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next video.